What's up everyone? In this quick video I'm going to show you how to downgrade to the old version of Twitter. Elon Musk just rebranded Twitter to X, and he also changed the logo to X and the name also. And if you're like me and you don't like the new logo, which is X, in this quick video I'm going to tell you how to roll back to the previous version of Twitter. So normally when I want to downgrade to a previous version of any Android app, I go to this website called Up2Down. It's very famous for giving old version of Android apps. But unfortunately, Twitter has asked them to take down all the previous version of their official Android app. So there is no way to download the older version of Twitter via Up2Down website. But in this video I'm going to make everything simple for you guys. I found the previous version of Twitter and I'm going to put it down in the description below so that you can download it easily and downgrade your Twitter to the previous version. All you have to do is head down to the link in the description and download the one I provided in the link in the description of this video. So install the app. This is the previous version 9.98, and minimum requirement to install this previous version is Android 6.0. When you have successfully installed the previous version, there is one thing you need to do. Go to your Play Store, search for Twitter, click on it. Now click on the three dots menu. Make sure you disable automatic update, because if it is enabled, it's going to take you to the new version. So make sure you disable automatic update. So now you have the previous version of Twitter, the famous bird logo, and as you can see here, it is working perfectly. I'm going to log into my account. So that'll be all for this video, guys. I don't know how long this video is going to last. I don't know how long this method is going to work, but hopefully it works for you. That'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.